I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to write it, launch it, and promote it. I'm going to guide you through every step of the way. So what do you get in the Un-Frazzled Funnel Building Workshop? As soon as you register for the Un-Frazzled Funnel Building Workshop, you'll have access to the pre-training, where we're going to address some of the things that might be holding you back. Being successful has a lot to do with how you approach things, so I want to make sure that you're prepared. We'll also be going over the tools that I'll be using to show you how to build a digital sales funnel. You know, those free tools that I just mentioned a minute ago. And then we're going to dive into funnel basics in week 1. So if you're completely new, we're going to cover what is a sales funnel? Why do we build them? Why do we avoid building them? How many types of funnels are there? I'm also going to be showing you how to figure out the best way to approach a sales funnel for your business so that you can build something that is going to be amazing and is actually going to work for you. In week 2, we'll be planning and mapping out your funnel. What makes a good offer? What is a lead magnet? And how do you create one? Upsells, downsells, one-time offers. Do you need them? Are they essential? How do you build them? But your offer isn't the only thing that sells your product. Your origin story does as well. So I'm going to show you how to tell it in a compelling way, one that maintains your honesty, of course. And once you've done that, it'll be time to draft your sales copy. You've got no need to worry about not being a writer, because I'm going to show you the exact formula to creating a sales page that converts. This is the same formula that I've used over the last 10 years, and it works every time. Now, then we're going to jump into week 3, which is Build It Week. And this is where usually people get a little bit anxious. We're going to build your funnel from start to finish. And if you're less than tech savvy, that's okay, because you're going to be getting step-by-step instruction and guidance on everything. Right from installing the tools that we're going to be using, to setting them up properly, to designing sales pages and carts and upsells, all the way through to creating your automated email sequences. I've got you. And then finally, in week 4, we're going to be talking about promotion. What good is your funnel if nobody sees it? Every funnel needs traffic. So we'll be talking about how to create ad copy. And then afterwards, Teddy, my fantastic right-hand team member, is going to be walking you through all things Facebook advertising. She's going to show you how to set up your Facebook ads account and include your pixel and how to create an ad set. We're also going to be giving you our best tips for generating organic reach on your social accounts. And then it will be time to launch. If you're counting, that's 5 weeks of content. At the risk of sounding a bit like a cheesy late night infomercial, I'm not done yet. I want to make sure that you have everything you need to start generating leads and sales fast. So I'm throwing in a few bonuses. When you sign up, you're also going to get 6 weekly live group coaching and Q&A calls. So we're going to get together every week and we're going to talk about what you've learned. We're going to talk about your challenges, where you're struggling, and I'm going to help walk you through that. You're also going to get access to an exclusive Facebook group only for members, where you can also have access to on-demand support throughout the workshop and beyond, not only from me, but also from everybody else who's learning along the way. You're also going to get all of my best email sequence frameworks, because you need to know exactly how to write an email, not just what to say. And then you're going to get some bonus lessons on how to monitor and test and tweak your funnel for maximum conversion. I spent a lot of time building this program for you, but the truth is that I haven't run it yet, at least not live. This will be the very first time, so I need your help to turn it into something fantastic. As a beta test member, you're going to be integral in helping me perfect and refine this workshop for future members. So as my thank you for your help, you're also going to be getting individual one-on-one funnel reviews, where I'm going to go over with you every step of your funnel to make sure that it is going to be bringing you consistent leads and sales. And we're going to fix everything that's not working right. You're also going to get 2 bonus live group coaching calls. I've packed a ton of value into this workshop. So once I get through this beta test phase, I plan on offering this workshop for $14.97. But before I can do that, I need testers to make sure that it delivers on its promises. So as a beta test member, you will get lifetime access to the entire workshop for only $197. And as a lifetime access member, you're going to get access to all of the updates, changes, or any additions made along the way. So as it gets better, you're going to get access to the better content without having to pay extra. If you want to join us, you're going to have to register soon, because once we start the beta test, registration will be closed until the next workshop. I don't know yet if I'm going to need to run another beta test or not, but I can promise you that the price will be going up for the next one. So if you want to get in on this for only $197, you're going to want to register now.